They never had a pretty girl from Joburg. See me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, hit the drum. Unless you come in with that karma. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza.
Moreni guys, I know I look like Ipara. Guys, I'm at Macro. Namhlanje bendihambile guys ndiyositoka, and tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. So son, ndizothenga into ze-party packs guys. Ndingene ndibaleka sekuzovalwa. Phofu I look like Ipara. Ne, usuyipara. Guys, ngilapha Macro. Ndizothenga into ze-party packs. I'm not sure ke into ze-packaging uba ndizozifumana phi, but at least I'm here. Okay, it's 25 here. And then this is into for KKL. Show me as no choice, my little tart. So, Sana, I packed this last night while I was still a carrier. Couldn't even vlog again because the lighting was so bad, but I just want to quickly show you what I got. So you choose lunch bar, see popcorn, and then some biscuits and a lollipop. Where is the lollipop? You could take a lollipop, guys. And a lollipop. Oh, I tried my best to sign up because I was rushing yesterday. See, 25.
Waiting for you.
ndizawukuni ndinje i-crust ndikanje phofu ke I'm always crusty ke mna ke ndiyayazi uba I don't have to pretend shem. But when I look good, I look good. I know. Guys, today is the 12th of August. Eli xesha ngo-2022. Yeah, 2022. Khanicima amanzi nina. Eli xesha ngo-2022 ndandiphethe usana lwam, my last born. Yeah, birthday today. She's turning 3. Yeah, guys, and we didn't do anything but came. Sisile ikhekhe esikolweni ne-party packs apha endlini asizukwenza next. Ndicele nje utatakhe uba asizele ne-bride meat. Ngoku ndizokwenza ipapa xa beyo ndizokwenza ichakalaka because iiphepha zam ziyashota. Then sitye as a family of 4. Nje, nothing hectic, nothing much. Andikwazi noba ndimkhupha umntanam, guys, sidikiwe yi-junk. We've been eating i-junk food apha endlini. That's why namhlanje ndiqona amakakathengi inyama then ndizokwenza ipapa. Yeah, so yeah, guys, today is Wednesday. No, today is Tuesday. Thursday we are leaving. We are going to the Eastern Cape. The funeral is Saturday. I haven't done my eyelashes. I haven't done my nails. Tomorrow I'm going to Joburg to get orders zokugqibela, and then maybe I will text my nail tech ngoku ndimxelele uba I'll be in Joburg in the morning, so ngicela avuke so that azoqala ngaMonday enze, because I get to town around 7 or past 7 apho, and the shops is vulwa ngo-8, so that in the meantime ndizobe ndisenza ii-nails zam. Then on Thursday ngale mini ndihamba ngayo in the morning, of which I'm not really sure uba ndithini ndiye ngomso or Thursday. I don't know, because ne-parcels I'm planning ubana ndizithumele on Thursday before I leave. So Thursday in the morning ndiyo-installer and do my eyelashes, then ndiyothumela izinto, then come back sihambe nomyeni wam. Hello babe.
What are you doing?
Yeah?
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
Yes.
Okay.
Say hi guys.
Hmm?
Come. Is that birthday girl? Come and say hi. Vela kaloku mntanam. Here is my twin, guys. Lo birthday yayo.
Yes,
Yeah?
Sarah.
Yahlala. How was your day? Binjani mini yakho?
Birthday.
Teacher birthday. Or is it? Izobulisa ngapha not kwelo cala. Come and say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Izotsho vela ngapha. Guys, mntanam okweBhabhayisa, say hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Jogani izikuta yonke into zi-juicy, everything. So no way guys. Hayibo. Kodwa ndibingekayoxela. Utheni ungathi ngoku? Oh, copyright ntoni. Ndizandibona when I get home. Guys, I forgot to pack i-bras, ne-tights, ne-gauze. Now I have to buy them. Ndilapha eSpar ndizothenga umngena ndlini, but I just need some few things and sit down. Already, hi guys. Finally, we are home. We just got here in Goku. The time is past 2. Yeah, past 2 kusandobetha u-2. So into ndizobeka amanzi uhlamba nditshintshe into my makoti outfits or into my majeremane. Then but I think ndizolala, then wake up ndihlambe nditshintshe. For now ndizofaka isikhafu apha phezu kwelokhe because ndiyamva ngubhuti lo umdala lo ozayo, so kumele ndihambe ndiyobulisa before ndenze yonke enye into. Siyavana guys. Guys, I'm sitting to pick an anime. It is later on in the day. And I did my skincare routine. It's something to 7. But guys, we don't know what happened. So I cannot cook with you because it's dark. And then you're stressed. Now I have to wake my husband up so that I so yeah, bandase. Yeah, guys, just ndivukile ndahlamba. I am in my Makoti attire as you guys saw. Yeah, California yakho.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the cup green. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Coach, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you. Just you will come through and chill. Just like you will come through and chill. Just like you will. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Yeah? No, wake up late. Why? He's a Cohen. It's not about to go. Not from
volando somos a las Segele tsa go landa. Get her stuck a sala ko.
Meaning? It's not the phone. It's not like if I would in bed. Yeah. Oh, that's a...
Yeah, madam. Before we bueno.
Bese ne waren kona yo. Umnyama ayo bapanza uphekela phi.